Hey everybody, it's Seth Jones, Editor-in-Chief of Golfdom magazine, a beautiful TPC Harding Park in San Francisco. I'm being joined by Kevin Teahan. Kevin, thanks for the hospitality, showing me around. It's a beautiful place you guys got, and congratulations on how far you've already got this place ready for the 2020 PGA.
Thank you, Seth. We appreciate you coming out and taking the time to interview us and see what's going on out here in the world of TPC Harding Park.
Absolutely. You got an interesting story. You come from a carpenter. You're a carpenter who finds yourself here and not even taking care of just this place, but you got all San Francisco parks under your jurisdiction. Can you tell me about your background and what your job entails?
Yeah, I didn't get into the golf industry until 2010. I came out in 2009 to work at Harding Park to get ready for the President's Cup that we hosted in 2009. Started with the golf course then and just got into it, and PGA Tour in the city, they asked me to take over in 2010. Since then I've done 3 Charles Schwab Cups, Cadillac Match Play, and now the PGA Championship coming up.
How do you think your background as a carpenter helps you as a superintendent controlling what's going on here on the golf course?
It relates a lot to crew management, coming up with a sequence and a pattern on how to do things, so it kind of rolled all into one. It's just you got to find a method in how you control the grass and mow it and your standards, and you just roll with it. And so far, I think it's been a helpful background.
Fantastic. This is a TPC network course, and it's a city-owned course. There's a lot of interesting angles here. You got 5 different unions, I think, represented here. You got a bunch of your crew. They're all city employees mostly. Talk to me about just the novel idea you have out here, where this is definitely a course of the people, and you're bringing in the PGA Championship.
Yeah, so we do have 5 different unions out here. We all are civil servants. We all have special roles and unique measures we got to take. We all work together for a common goal. It's great that they bring these tournaments out here and host them here at Harding Park, but we're more concerned about keeping the course up for daily play. We're more concerned about our customer, the resident of San Francisco. It is nice that it keeps the city keeping this funded properly, with the PGA Tour events and with the PGA Championship coming here. It just elevates us to that next level.
Great.
For public golf courses.
Talk to me. What's your besides this place? What's an exciting job you have on any given day? Going to see a different park, that falls under your jurisdiction.
Yeah, so I'm golf and turf manager for San Francisco Rec and Park Department here in San Francisco. So besides the golf courses that we maintain, we also do all the big athletic fields. Where we go in and aerate them on a yearly basis, keeping them fertilizing. If there's any renovations to be done on a baseball field, football field, or soccer field, I have crews that go out and do that work as well. So we're not just limited to golf. We use all our resources and training it and take the same practices and implementation and put them to our athletic fields for the kids and high school kids and all the grammar schools and anybody that does play adult softball or baseball.
So anybody who plays any type of sports, you can say hi to this guy next time you see him. A lot of people driving around San Francisco is an adventure for a lot of people. You guys are pulling around triplex mowers and aerators. You guys got it all nailed down on the best back roads to get to every park?
Oh yeah, we know every flat route to take, and it is challenging. Some of our parks are in tight locations, but we're able to get in there and get our work done.
Fantastic. All right, Kevin, appreciate the hospitality. Thanks for your time, and good luck for the PGA Championship.
Thanks, Seth. I appreciate you coming out.
Okay, everybody, this is Kevin Teahan. We're here at TPC Harding Park. I'm Seth Jones. Thanks for watching us here at Golfdom TV.